Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my simple everyday makeup routine. First I'm going to go ahead and start by taking care of some little fuzz that I have on my upper lip. I absolutely love this device. I bought it from Ulta. I will tag the link for the product in the description. It's super simple and easy to use. Next, I like to use the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. This is the best lotion I've found for my face. I love applying it before going ahead and continuing with my makeup. Also, don't forget to apply some lotion to your neck. This really helps to prevent any anti-aging. Next, I'm going to be using the Mario facial spray. I love using this spray during the day, before I put makeup on, or right before I go to bed. It adds so much moisture to my skin. Now that I've finished applying some lotion, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the skin using the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. I love this product. I've been using it for so long. It is in the shade 14. I don't like to use too much of it, but I use some to cover up some of the dark spots that I have on my face due to hyperpigmentation. And then I like to go ahead and continue with the Dior Skin Forever foundation. This is one of my absolute favorite foundations. It fits so perfectly to my skin tone and works well in the summer for me as well. I like to apply this foundation all throughout my face, into my neck, all throughout my forehead, just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Blending is definitely key when you are applying foundation. Before applying any product to my eyebrows, I really like to brush them out to see what I'm working with and to make sure the hairs are in place. I love using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade. This is the DIPBROW. I love this product. It really works well and helps to create a natural brow. After filling in my brows, I love using the Nars concealer to go ahead and correct my eyebrows and to clean up any harsh lines. Once I feel like I'm done with my eyebrows, I love using the Benefit's 24-Hour Brow Setter. It is a gel that really helps to keep your hair in place. It honestly works so well because sometimes your brows tend to move. I went ahead and took the same Nars concealer and applied some under my eyes. I love using a damp sponge, so I went ahead and went to the bathroom to really soak it up before blending. This really helps with the blending and to make sure it is completely sunken into your skin. After blending out the concealer, I'm moving on to contour using the Anastasia Contour Kit. It's in the shade Tan to Deep, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all throughout my face to really give it that nice bronze deep tan look. You guys may have noticed, but I have skipped and avoided baking under my eyes. This really creates a lot of wrinkles and dryness there. I try to avoid it, and Patricia Bite, who's also a YouTuber, gave me this tip. But it definitely works to give me that nice glowy look instead of cakey and dried. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and move on with mascara from L'Oreal. This is their telescopic mascara. It is so good. It really helps to elongate your lashes. Shout out to Tosh. She got me onto this mascara and I'm completely obsessed. I'm also going to take some and apply it to my bottom lashes just to wake up my eyes and to make them bigger. Finally, my favorite part, it's the blush. I love using this blush from MAC. I've been using it for years. It honestly looks so good on my skin tone and gives me that extra color to my face. This color is the Peachtwist from MAC, and I will also link the product down below. I'm just gonna keep applying till I feel like I have enough color to my face. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Goldlava highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. I've been using this for so long and I still haven't ran out of it, but it has that perfect glow, perfect gold shimmer that looks really good with my skin tone. I love applying it to my cheekbone as well as to my temple. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. I love this, it's drugstore affordable, and it's that perfect color for an everyday look. We're almost done, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take the Tartelette palette and apply some shimmer under the arches of my brows just to give it a bit more shine and to make that area of my face seem brighter and more awake. Last but not least, I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm just going to apply this all throughout my face to help all of the product blend well and to lay on my face perfectly. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my everyday makeup routine. As you guys can see, it was super simple and fast. It usually takes me about 15 minutes to get ready. Honestly, I could do this in 10 minutes, but because I was filming and showing you guys the products, it took a little bit longer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will have all of the products listed down below for you guys. Like I said earlier, if you guys would like to see a skincare routine, please let me know down below in the comments section. I will definitely take some time out to film that for you guys. It'll definitely be an in-depth video to share everything and how I got the skin I have today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is honestly my favorite look. I love the all-natural look since I don't wear that much makeup anymore. I love to see that it looks like I have none on, and I hope I achieved that for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please continue watching my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.